the Captain Bedbug. I'm ready whenever you are.
All right. November 105 Tango Sierra. We are ready for departure now.
November 105 Tango Sierra, roger. The wind 160 degrees, 08 knots. Runway 19er, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff. 19 November 105 Tango Sierra.
Stop the clock. That's good.
I'm all set.
Okay, ready?
Everything rechecks, looking good. Those are their lights.
Lights are on.
Oh,
yeah, there's on the phone.
For the camera.
Yes.
Alright, over speed to 5. It's 80 knots.
Oh. Thanks.
That's good.
B1.
B1, rotate.
You're up.
B2, pause and brake, coming up.
Laps one.
I'm gonna go on.